Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a note on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, you can see the option of Share Note. Tap on it. Next, share your thought. After that, you can see the option of share at top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. So, this is how you can add a note on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.